Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And as you can probably tell, it does come with a lift kit installed and with power deployable running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. And on the back you have a hardtop tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more in the middle here with a 110 volt, 12 volt, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,821 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and my key status. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as My View, which is like a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. And in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. And that's fine. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, and your camera view again. And you have a premium Sony sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Then moving down, you have your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as a trailer brake controller there. And on the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Moving down, you have this compartment here with 2 USBs, your auxiliary and SD slot, as well as another 12 volt, so you can plug something in from there too. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode and sport mode button at the end, or at the bottom there. Then you have 2 cup holders, your lane keeping system, and your park assist or parallel park assist button. You have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.